Have you ever wondered how a perfume scent stays for such a long time? Well, it's your lucky day! Because today, Giselle, Majeeda, and Namira are going to explain everything you need to know about chemicals in perfume and how perfume still has a good scent after a long duration of time.
First thing first, some of you may still be questioning why people use perfume. Well, we all know that perfume is something that we use to avoid a smelly body, to ensure we smell good throughout the day. It's also used to have a pleasant smell, in order to provide a pleasant aroma to the human body, animals, food, objects, and living environments. Perfume is a combination of sweet-smelling essential oils or aroma compounds, fixed actives, and solvents, usually in liquid form.
Now let's explore the chemicals that perfume has. The common ingredients we can find in perfume include benzyl alcohol, acetone, linalool, ethanol, ethyl acetate, benzaldehyde, camphor, formaldehyde, methylene, chloride, limonene, and the two potentially dangerous chemicals, phthalates and synthetic musk.
Each chemical has a different function. For example, due to its bitter almond scent, benzaldehyde is used in aroma compositions and used as a base for many aromatic, fragrance, and taste ingredients.
You probably believe that reading the composition label on your perfume will reveal all the ingredients. The truth is no. However, the majority of perfumes marketed commercially are packed with dangerous compounds that aren't released directly on the ingredient label due to the rules of the stop perfume makers from revealing trade secrets.
If we think about this, we can tell that this kind of information is being hidden so that the market of perfume can continue without probleming or considering customers that are scared to buy it only because of that chemical that is actually the point of a good perfume that can stay long.
Most of us would definitely prefer long-lasting perfume smells, which is actually pretty harmful for the human body. It could result in diseases such as cancer, damage to human reproduction and development, endocrine disruption, birth abnormalities, and respiratory issues. If you're wondering why, it's because long-lasting scents are made of this harmful substance called phthalates.
Let's move and discuss about phthalates chemical. Phthalates are a group of chemical which include C8H4O4/2, which is 8 carbon, 4 hydrogen, and 4 oxygen. Phthalates themselves are commonly used in perfumery to make scents last longer. There are different types of phthalates used in perfumery products. Majority diethyl phthalates, DEP, and Di2/ethyl phthalates, DEHP, are widely found in perfumes, but for some reason this chemical is actually dangerous. Why is that so? Phthalates are a surface of chemical substance which are mainly used as plastic scissors added to polyphenol chloride, PVC, plastic for softening effects. Phthalates can potentially disrupt the endocrine system. Researchers have connect how these chemical phthalates connect to asthma, ADHD, breast cancer, obesity, type 2 diabetes, low IQ, neurodevelopmental problems, behavioral problems, and more.
So, what can we do to avoid danger but still have long-lasting perfume? Possible solution for this problem is actually pretty simple. Body mist would be a better alternative for perfume. Nowadays, the market already sells a lot of body mist. Body mist usually only contains essential oils and water, and may or may not contain alcohol. We can see that body mist is actually not dangerous at all. And usually in the perfume store, body mist is packed with more milliliter than a normal perfume. This is because body mist does not smell as long as perfume, since body mist does not contain any phthalates chemical in it. In contrast, usually body mist and a normal perfume have the same price.
Since body mist usually has a bigger amount than perfume, customers are more likely to be attracted to body mist because of the appearance. However, a fair amount of people are attracted to the perfume, which is usually smaller than the body mist because of the packaging details that are meant to attract people aside from the smell. As people who carry body mist everywhere, we can confidently say that body mist is easier to carry and lighter than perfume, which is an advantage since most people would like to reapply their body mist when they are out.
Wait, how does it solve the problem if body mist does not contain phthalates, which results in the body mist not long lasting as a normal perfume? Well, in this case, you can use your body mist in some parts of your body where the veins flow close to the skin. Places such as inside of your wrist, inner elbows, behind your earlobes, and the back of your knees. These spots release heat, which helps perfume develop faster. Increased heat sources will help the body mist diffuse and last longer. Keep some space between your skin and the diffuser of the scents. Spraying too closely will give in a concentrate smell stream that is less pleasant to apply. As you move through the mist, spray some of your perfume in the air.
We can also call this as evaporation, where the process of a liquid that turns into a gas. In this situation, the liquid is perfume. When the human body goes outside while wearing perfume, heat affects the perfume as it breaks down the chemical bonds that give the perfume its scent. Meanwhile, this is not a chemical reaction. This is called evaporation that defines the process of turning from liquid into gas. Body mist contains liquids that are long-lasting as well.
With this, we can connect it to our statement of inquiry, which is chemicals react through energy changes and the rearrangement of atoms. This process allows for the production of everyday household items, which may bring consequences to our lives and the environment. We can say this connects the SOI because from the statement, chemicals react through energy changes. When a scent reacts to an energy, in this case heat, it causes process known as evaporation. Perfume chemicals can change due to evaporation, in especially humid or hot places. The natural oils and essences in your fragrance can start coagulating as they break down. One of the moments evaporation happens in our daily life is when we use perfume. Additionally, body mist itself has effects on our lives and the environment that protect us from certain diseases posed by toxic chemicals, and using a lot of it at the same time costs a typical perfume.
A small summary of the whole thing. Perfume includes phthalates, which is extremely dangerous. Phthalates can potentially disrupt the endocrine system. Researchers have conducted how this chemical phthalate connects to asthma, ADHD, breast cancer, obesity, type 2 diabetes, low IQ, neurodevelopmental problems, behavioral problems, and more. And if we're nice people, we don't want people to be harmed and not know the truth.
However, we tried finding out the chemical reaction of the perfume to the heat people face when they're out, and we came up to the conclusion that there isn't any chemical change happening. It's called evaporation that defines the process of turning liquid into gas, which explains why sometimes a long-lasting perfume isn't so long-lasting.
In conclusion, use body mist instead. It smells nice, can be bought everywhere, and isn't too strong to make people cough when you're around them. So you guys should be girl bosses and choose the safe option here. Buy body mist instead of perfume. Anyways, have a lovely days, girlies, and buy body mist.